Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be working on maxing. We're going to be maxing here in Pixellab, maxing our images here in Pixellab. So this is what we're going to be doing for today's tutorial. So you can actually see this is not 100% perfect for this the neck area, but it was because of the color. It was looking awkward if I just went with this line here, but I have to just leave it like this. But some images might you might get a perfect curve there, but let me just get straight to the point. So this is what we are doing. So we're going to be working on this. We're going to be matching the letter to this image. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so let me just disable this layer. This is what we have. This is it. This is it. Alright, yes. So once you've imported your image, of course this is the first thing here. The first thing we have to do is to pick a letter, which I choose W. So the font for this is Akin 9. The link to this will be in the description box below. So once you've chosen your font, just a letter, just centralize this. The size for this is hold on, just give me a minute, let me see. Alright, it's actually 674. You can get to just increase your size and fix your image to be maybe almost the same line. It's actually not necessary to, since we're going to blur that area. But let's see, let me just set it here. Alright, I've done that. So the next thing we'll do is okay, I forgot to tell you the color gradient for this is, just hold on. Alright, so I chose this one in the middle, 1 2 3 4, the first slide here. So for this right side, click on this. The color X code is this. Go ahead and copy this. This is the color X code, and the next one, which is here on my left, the color X code is this. So go ahead and copy that and place that in your text. So once we've done that, let me duplicate the W. So I'll just centralize this also. Okay, yes, it's okay like that. I'll change the color to white. So what I'm going to do now is that, alright, you can reduce the opacity so you can see what you are actually doing. I think there's shadow in this. Yes, so reduce the opacity to see what you are actually doing. So the first thing now to do is to mark this letter under our arm. So I'll click on the mark section here. Okay, you've seen that this is, will be using out. The max mode will be out, so you can see. So this is this is the first part we're doing. So just go down, we'll be doing for this part under our arm. Alright, let me just adjust this first. Alright, hold on. Alright, let's see. I think I've alright, just add a new, you see dots they're calling it or what, just so you can be able to do the maxing properly. Alright, so let me just zoom in for this part. Let me zoom in for this. Okay, now this is where the real work actually begins. So what you're going to do is just have to trace this properly, so that, so yes, you can see, you just have to trace this properly. Alright, so this is not 100% perfect. So let me just mention this in advance. I'll be posting a video sometimes for this tracing. So what you're tracing is the entire okay, let me place this here first, and this here. Alright, okay, yes, oh sorry, can't see this properly. Okay, that's that for that part. And yeah, so of course you can actually pause this video and start tracing yours. Just start working on that. Okay, that's that for this first section. That's that for this first section. So let me just change the color back to white. Sorry, increase the opacity rather. So yes, this is it. We have done the first part. So I'll just log this layer. So I'll copy, oh sorry, what have I done? Alright, let me place it at the front back. So I'll copy this text I just did. I'm going to copy it. Alright, let me go to Max back and disable this so I can see what I'm doing properly. So I'll place it here also, place it there, reduce the opacity so I can see, and now I'll be maxing in. Is it in or out? Okay, I'll be maxing out. Yes, I'll be maxing out. So I would hold on. So you know what you're doing now. You have to make sure it's not we're stopping at this edge. Yes, if you can remember these are shoulder, both of our shoulders. Alright, what's wrong with my Pixellab? Okay. Alright, so wait, this is actually misbehaving. Okay, this is this for this. Alright, let me just place this here first. Just a rough sketch first. And okay, this can't actually work. So once you're not getting the desired curve you want, sometimes the three dots, I mean the dots you're seeing on your maxing or Bezier section, this works in Bezier too. You just need to add new I don't know what the name they're calling it, the name of this actually, new adjustable dots, so you're able to move everything around. So you click on any one, the nearest point which you want that next dot to be added. So you click on it and scroll down to actions and click on the second icon here, so you can see this. So let me just place this here. I need a lot. Let me just pick 3. So I'll pick 3, and alright, just hold on. This is the main thing here. So if you should know what I'm actually doing already, so you can, of course, like I said, just pause the video and try to get this done. But if you don't want to, you can actually just follow me and let's work on this together. So I'll try to select new dots again. Let me just select this area that's close to where I want it. Let me pick 2. Alright, let me just do this and do this. Alright, so I'll try to, what I'll do now is that I won't be tracing everything. I'll just make sure I've selected the enough curves so that this video, I don't want this video to be too long. Enough curves, and you readjust it to the way you want it to be. So let me just make sure I've selected enough curves so that this video won't be too long. Alright, I'm back. I've selected all my the dots and everything which I want to add to this. So I've selected every single one of them. So now what we have to do is to start tracing this perfectly. We have to start tracing everything. So let's just try to be fast with this. So we're going to start tracing now. So like you saw in that tutorial, this wasn't okay. I think this is okay there. We just hold on. Okay, this side doesn't matter. Alright, it's a little bit, yes. Okay, this is it. Alright, okay, so just keep on tracing and tracing and tracing and tracing. Alright, so I've done that for that. This other side is left. Okay, let me just do this. Alright, just try to trace every single thing. Okay, this won't be perfect, but okay, let's try to add another. Yes, this is it. Once you're not getting the exact curve you want, make sure to add another dot to the nearest point which you want the curve to be. So this is it. This is it. I think this is a little bit. Alright, yes, this is it. So in case you're through with this, let me just click on the check mark button. So you can see it's not actually 100%, but at least it's worth a try. So I won't go back to re-edit this. I want this video to be really, really short, unless I'm not going to leave here today if I'm to work on every single thing. Alright, I reduced the opacity for this. I can actually remember I reduced the opacity of this. I think it was yes, 70 or so. And the other opacity for the next one was So it's a little bit more than, so 82, and the one which is above is 70. So you can actually see your design is complete. But no, if you actually added shadow to this, I can't remember, added shadow to this, just hold on. So you can see the shadow is only affecting this back area. So I want it to be at this arm where the phone is. So I'll duplicate the main image. Hold on, yes, this is it. I'll duplicate the main image, place it back here. Alright, now to even see what you're doing, just try to give this a color, reduce the opacity, see if it fits, then place it, try placing it. Okay, this is it. Tutorial is actually complete, but we need to, if you want to add shadow to this, we need to max this the arm aspect again, just arm, because we can see clearly from this. Hold on, let me place this to the front. You can see there's a little bit of shadow here. It's actually not necessary though. If you want to do that, just keep on following me, but if you don't want to, you can stop there. So alright guys, so now in order to add the shadow which you are looking for, we have actually duplicated the image and place it at the front. So once we've gone back to max, so you can see now mine has little dots. So the only thing you'll be maxing is just this oh sorry, this thing is moving. These are just everything around the arm. Alright, okay, I can do this. Everything around the arm. So of course I don't want this tutorial to be too long. This won't be hard for you to just try to cut. I've not actually done mine complete. Mine is not complete, so you can still actually see the process. So once you've started, just be adding enough dots for you to be able to adjust the edge. So let's get to the main point which we have here now. Is just back to tracing this perfectly. Alright, so you just need to trace this perfectly. So let's get started with that by tracing this. So this is it. You can see even the way it was placed was not that, it was not placed well from the beginning, but this is also okay. This is okay. Okay, this side is okay. Yes, let's check this. All right, okay, I need to add another dot to this side because this side is a bit curved. Alright, so you can see this, you can see this, you can see this. Okay, let's continue, let's keep on going, let's keep on going. Alright, so that's all you need to be doing. Okay, I could have just turned the color of this to red or something. Just hold on, let me change the color. So yes, you can see what we are doing exactly. Yes, so we just trace the red together with the main image. So I'll just add a new dot here so I can see what I'm doing properly. Let's do this again, add a new dot here so I can see what I'm doing properly. So this is it, this is it, this is it. I'm really sorry that this video took this long. Sorry, it is quite long. Okay, this is it, this is it, and this is it. Okay, this place is not actually perfect. Alright, let me just, okay, that's not it. Add a new dot here, new dot here. So just the main thing here is that you should try to make this stuff aligned. Try to make it aligned, as just try your very best to make it aligned. So once you've done that, alright, just the reason I'm extending this outside is because of the shadow. I don't want the shadow to, if the shadow is actually displaying on this other image which is in, this one is maxed, this one we're doing currently is maxed. So if the shadow is showing, it will show that something is on top, even though we're going to adjust the shadow a bit down, but still I don't want it to look awkward. So just all about tracing. The reason why this video is actually long, I don't want to just pause it and leave. Some of you that are actually viewing this, you might be beginner, or yes, you might. So I don't want to just leave it like that. So just bear with me that this is actually long. The video is actually long. I'm sorry about that. I don't like the way my videos long, so you should know by now. So okay, this one has extended a bit. All right, so this is it for this. So you can see this is it for this. All right, I will just go to let me disable the color. Okay, increase the opacity back. It's not actually perfect. I think I've overcut it, but let's still see. So you can see what I'm actually saying for the shadow aspect. You can see it now. The shadow has fit in there. Okay, it's too much. All right, this is it. So just do well to add your shadow. It actually depends on you, on what you want. So in order to make it perfect, I had to just blur the down area, so you know the mistake that is there won't be showing. I just had to blur that. So this is how actually you can max in Pixellab. I'll be doing 2 videos on this. This one actually took time because of the the curves. The other ones I'm doing, you'll be able to use those ones for your profile picture and stuff like that. So you actually be seeing the flyer to that. So I think that will be a combination of a video that will be in one. So you'll be seeing the flyer to that, so you know the exact time limit you'll be going for when you're watching those videos. So this is it, guys. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Do well to let me know the kind of videos you'd like me to create next for my channel. And thank you so much for staying to the end. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video.